Come on, playing cornhole with the iPhone. There's Billy is shooting. Let me get back here. You can see a little better. Back up just a hair, Michael. Oh, almost went in.
Billy's good at this game. I need to get one on board.
See if he can knock that one in.
I ain't gonna hit you.
Here comes the throw. Oh, went them both in. Ah, damn it. We need some alcohol now. Need some Lawrence.
I'm passing. Two.
Shot. That's a Mike York shot there. Get one on the pad. Watch out, Mike. Don't stop in front of me.
Are we counting or what? Okay.
Oh!
It's got like that corn we use on the boat.
All right, I'm doing a shotgun. You want to hold this? Let me shoot this real fast.
Yeah, does that got the corn that we use on the boat?
Yeah, hold this, Mike. We gotta have some alcohol in the video. Can you see me?
Yep.
Coming at you, buddy.
Hold on, we gotta stand over in the sunlight, son. Right there's perfect.
Good?
Yep.
Can you see me?
See you perfect.
Here's your vodka you want at rugby.
Says vodka.
While they're back here playing cornhole.
See them back here playing cornhole. Here we go.
On my fishing cooler. Ready?
Yep.
I'm not.
Let me know when you're ready to count.
St. Patrick's Day, early. Well, St. Patrick's Day's already passed. I'm just playing. Alright, ready?
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, go. Watch, Dad. Dad.
Hold on, Bill.
Dad. Here comes the burp. Take a drink of that pop back here.
I almost didn't get that third gulp there.
Take a drink of that pop back here to make you burp.
Well.